Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the fuse machine. And all you have to do, as you can see, is bring a Brainrot to the machine. So I'm going to just go over to my base. I'm going to get a random Brainrot. I'm going to just grab this one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bring it over to the fuse machine. And you do need a total of 4. If you click on the fuse machine, it should say bring 4 Brainrots to fuse, and these are the possible fusions. You have 30 minutes. I believe you get a different fuse machine, at a different time. See right there, as it says guaranteed legendary. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. You just have every different time you get it's possible to get a different Brainrot, etc. Let me just bring all the 4 Brainrots, because that is the main thing. You just have to bring all 4 Brainrots to the fuse machine, and once you do, it should give you the opportunity to just make sure. You gotta bring all 4 Brainrots to the fuse machine, and once you do, it will spawn a Brainrot. So let's just see. Okay, and then if we go ahead and click on the fuse machine, we pay this amount. Okay. It takes 15 minutes for the fusion time, and once that time is up, you will, get a new Brainrot, etc. So yeah, that is basically it. Just bring. So the better Brainrot you bring, let's just say, I would assume, let's just say you bring all legendaries. You get a higher chance of getting a legendary. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So that is something you guys want to keep in mind. So yeah. But other than that, that should be it for the video. That is how to use a fuse machine. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.